Ba-ba-ba. Refresh page. Should be showing. But it's not. Wait, it is? Is it live? I don't know. Maybe it is. Maybe it isn't. Who knows? I'm not. Who knows? My internet crashed. I think. Oh, there you go. Okay. I think we may be back. Oh! That is substantial. We're going to bring this quickly down. I'm not sure why it is. Where's this coming from? Why am I transmitting so much? That's kind of a ridiculous amount. It's not even nuts. Whoa. Oh. Oh. Yeah, that explains a lot. That explains a lot. Okay, I should be probably back. Yeah, that is holy shit. Oh, that's such a stupid. Oh man. My Google Sync, Google Chrome, or from Google Drive Sync was on, and when I plugged in that USB stick with all the drives in it, it decided to upload all of it with no limit to bandwidth, and the internet connection here is only 100 megabits, whatever. It's gigabit. So it instantly saturated that connection for the internet, and then crashed everything. So that's cool. Now we know. That was funny. It just started trying to upload every single song on this USB drive. So that's really cool. Bangers. Okay. Oh, that's where the Discord notification noise is coming from. Let's see, what's my... Yeah, okay, I think we're good. I think we're fine. Yeah, I accidentally crashed my internet. I plugged in my USB stick with all the tracks for the CDJs, and I think they're... Yeah, it just kept... Google Drive tried to upload all of it at once. And, yeah, it's pretty funny. Thank God for airing me on, man. I love this shit. This is great. Fantastic. It's the greatest. This Spotify is still playing something. Alright, cool. Let's get to it then. I don't know if it's now made 2 streams, but I guess we'll find out. Alright. Might have to trim this up a bit. Alright. I might just invert these. So that, yeah, I'm gonna invert the tilt. I guess on the second one. Or should it be the pan? I guess we'll find out. I guess it should be both. Yeah, should it? Should it be both? Is that right? Nope. Something's fucked. Yeah, there we go. That's a bit. Oh geez, this is gonna be fun. Alright. Let's say this here. Tilt. There we go. Yeah, okay, that's fine. Keep down like that. So it needs to be like that. So this way. Okay, and that's not good. No, it's a little annoying to do this, but whatever, who cares. Alright, that's proper now. That is good. What was I doing? Patch stuff, yeah. Yep, alright, that's fine. Okay, this is actually kind of annoying. Okay. God damn it. Sure, everything's going the same direction. No. Good shit, alright. Gonna make this a subgroup. Oh, there it is. Yeah. I'll have to freaking deal with this weird shit. Right. Shit, this is going to be, I don't want to pan center here. Tilt in there. Alright. We are going to unlike this. These two center. That should be minus 90. Locate, pan center. I'm gonna unlike this and remove tilt attribute footing in there. Alright, cool. Now I can go here, that's fine. Locate's fine. Now I want to make sure that I have a way to, well, I need to be able to turn these things off. Turn this like that. Close enough. That's the opposite way I want it to be going. This is going to be an off palette, so when I'm done for the night, I can easily turn everything off. Same with these, they should go like this. These should be fine with their current positions. Same with these. Yeah. Spiders should have a. Yeah, they're fine there. Alright. Cool. So now this should just be going. Going to be working on positions here. Position. Yep. Cool. So I'm going to bring all these to locate. Now I can really get started here. Let's try some fun stuff first. Why the fuck is that there? What are you doing over there? Oh shit. Yeah. There we go. Okay. Cool. This will be on YouTube later, yeah. I don't think I'll be able to stream the actual show itself, because, you know, ooh, shit. I might stream the, if I have internet, I might stream some programming. That would be cool, actually. Show itself, definitely not, but, man, these are all gonna be fucking useless, aren't they? Because these are all just tilt. No. Ooh. Maybe I should just put an offset right now before I get really into the weeds with this. Right? Be tilt offset of 90. Shit, I can't do tilt offset of 180. Well, you know what? I can do not what I want to do. Mirror, maybe? No? Huh. Well, that's fun. Whatever. Go to locate and just kind of do these a little bit manually, I guess. Start with this one here. Can't even see them. Right. Ah! This is gonna drive me like actually insane. No, but they'll look way better if we mount them sideways. God damn it. We can fit 2 more lights. It'll be so worth it. It's fine. I'm sure it's not that, you know, that a big deal to side mount the lights. So you need to have like fucking a 4-dimensional mind to do this shit. Like what is life? I really need to make sure I don't get turned around with this. It's just gonna make my life so much harder. I mean, it is already much harder than it needs to be. I think this is the right direction. Fucking piece of shit. There we go. We don't need the DJ deck. Just give it to that. Yep. Who needs it? It's a good thing that thing matters anyways, the lasers. Seriously, man. I was looking forward to this being like a fun, easy gig to do positions for before, because originally these beams were going to be hung downwards, normally. And then promoter for the event wanted them to be side mounted so we could add 2 more lights. It's like, it's like, oh man. That's so much fucking work. Like, Jesus, you just think, oh my God. It's gonna take forever to do on site, man. It's gonna take like most of my time. Well, I think if I go home at 10 a.m., it's 5 a.m. now, only 6, that gives me 4 more hours of programming. Where the fuck is this light? Because the guys are going to load in at 6 p.m., I believe. If the tower is done by then. I don't think they really need me there for much of it. So if I go home at like 10 a.m., I can sleep. Yeah, and then get like maybe 6-ish hours. I don't know how I'm gonna I want to keep prevising though. But I also want to be on site in case I need anything. But I don't know, maybe I'll just talk to the project manager and see if he can just kind of do that. Make sure everything's done right. You know? And then, or maybe I'll just go for a little bit. I don't know. This. But no. Oh, shit. Yeah, alright. Well, whatever. I need to pee. I will be cool. Yeah! I also get a Red Bull.
just want someone to tell me exactly what to do. An island, everyone else's rowboats with their full lives going somewhere, and I don't have a boat. It's just stuck.
Wish that I could find a way. Wish that I could find a way. Yesterday's dream. Yesterday's dream. Yesterday's dream. Today all sorrow. Today all sorrow. Yesterday's dream. Today all sorrow. Today all sorrow. I've been so many places in my life. Yesterday's dream. Yesterday. Yesterday. Yesterday's dream. Yesterday. I've been so many places in my life.
Ooh.
I've been so
Oh, right here then.
in my life.
Cool. Let's see. What the hell? Oh. Oh wait, there was a website. Oh, lasers. 3 p.m. I don't think I'm gonna do that. I think they can get started. It's basic shit. Yeah. Honestly, I shouldn't have to. Yeah, I mean, they really don't need me on site. It's no. Yeah. If it was the last rig, I would have definitely fucking gone. Because the last rig was something. I did some weird shit. Stuff all over the place. And some specifics that need to be done right. This one, put light, put light. Put one light. You get the first light right, you get all of them. I'm just gonna message the crew chief, tell him to make sure the angles are good. That's the important bit. With these like side things, make sure the angles are good. Air Neo is very good. Highly recommend to everyone. I actually wonder now, because this is, I think this is a different stream now. Right? Might be. This here. Oh, it is the fuck. God damn it. Well, there's a lot of posts since Jesus, edit post. I'm going to put another. Yeah. There's no pointies on the floor on this one. No, just the ones on the towers. It should be fine. I mean, it's literally just fucking. As long as you get the first one at the right height, it should be fine. The last one. Huh? Yes, maybe. I don't know. Yeah. Alright. I mean, really, what I should really seriously be doing right now is not this. I just need to make sure I have some general shit, so just to make my life a bit easier on site. Alright, like this. That's fine. So that's just going to be locate. So now all this... fuck's sake. Boop. Alright. That should work now. Yeah, alright. And, man, I really should have recorded... Honestly, I should just record some general camera views for this file. The base venue file. But that would make too much sense. That's logic. We don't do that. Set this to... Whoa! Fuck, that looks weird. Alright, whatever. I think generally that's fine. Just bring these out a little bit. Ah, wait, there we go. Okay, c'est bon. Alright, yeah. I think this camera view maybe could go a bit lower. Okay, I kind of want to get the view of what the audience will see. Nailed it. Alright, cool. Yeah, last rig was fucking dope. Last rig was great. Not much. The only thing that went wrong with the last one was, well, that's weird. Oh, that's a, whoa. Okay, that's a bad combo. Jesus. I have a fisherman's friend and then I just had this mango fucking monster. That is weird. The last one was, there's not much wrong with it. I was pretty happy with that one. Oh. Well, okay, hold on. There's this swap thing. I think it swaps pan and tilt. I'm not entirely sure if this is what I want. Let's find out, shall we? Let's see where this leads. Oh shit. That might actually be kind of tight, actually. Hold on. I don't have any offsets on here, do I? Nope. Alright. So now... Aha! Yep, alright, I'm doing it. It's gonna cost me a little bit of time, but whatever. Alright. Go like that. Take these two. Fucking pan them. Yeah, that's cool. That's very cool. Locate. Center. Yeah. Alright, I think that might make my life a lot easier. Whoa! That's cool. I'm keeping that. Honestly, I'm just gonna keep it as Cali V. That's sick, dude. That's awesome. Just make sure these off positions are still fucking okay. They're not. They're very much not. Alright. Let's just fucking tilt these to... What the fuck am I doing? This is interesting. What is it? It's controlling the pan. So that should really be... There should be no offset on it, so I'm not sure why it's... Huh. That is kind of weird. Where? Off. Fucking. Wait, does it literally just switch the pan tilt encoders? Because that would be weird. It probably, you know what, that's exactly what it does. But whatever. I have decided to do it. It will now happen. Now I'm not super sure why that's 45 and not 90 degrees. Right? That doesn't really make all that much sense. So that right there is pan. This is tilt. Technically. Oh, it's probably doing some weird shit. That's exactly what it is. It's doing some weird shit. Yeah, okay. Because the ranges are different. Pan tilt ranges are different. You can do more. Yeah. Alright, I'm good. I know what's up. I know what things are. Alright. Now, let's have some fun here. See what this does. Oh, that's so easy. Alright. Sick. No, that's not. You know what? I'm just gonna do it like this. Locate here. And then two parts. Group parts. Two parts? Yeah, sure. Oh. Oh. Yeah, obviously. Okay. Well, I kind of just dig doing it like this. I mean, that just kind of works, right? Except it doesn't. It doesn't really work. Like, the bottom one is all fucked up. I wonder if I'd probably fuck a lot of shit up, actually. Yeah, that would. But, okay, if I just change the selection order, reverse it, make a second group here, Mega C3 inverted, and do the same here, reversed, Mega C4, in, what does the screen show? Oh, not much. There you go. It's better. Then I just have to do this. I should be able to do this. Yeah. That's weird. Oh. Of course. Anyway. Apparently I don't know why. It's like slightly off center. I should probably check what the camera sees, like where the center point on the camera is, but that would make sense to do. So I'm just gonna repeat exactly what I just did. Actually, first I need to make sure it is there. Interesting. Might be doing some weird shit with the values, but honestly, whatever, who cares? Oh, wait, yeah, wait. Yeah, but that's kind of tight, so I think I'll let it pass. I'm pretty sure it's just the camera anyways. It is. Of course it is. No, that can stay at 4. It's the Y rotation and the X. Let's fucking add that. Delete this one. Delete this one. Cool. Alright. Cool. Yep, that is way better. Substantially. Let's call this up X, yeah? So now that's that. Let's locate. I think I need. I mean, again, there's not really a point in me doing this right now, right? Like, honestly, I should not be doing this right now. I should be, yeah, straight up just not doing this. Woo! Nah, if it's gonna be like super angled, it should just be super angled. I think it just ran to that position, so we'll do this. Yeah, I'm sorry, sorry it's not really showing. Good lord, it's been a little rusty. There we go. I'll bring it down a little bit. Fan it, and then I don't know, maybe I'll just do a cheeky little. Oh, that's fucked. Alright. Forgot it does that. Yeah, it's annoying. Cool. Yeah, I think this is gonna be up X, because that's really quite cool. I'm curious to see what a lot of my other. Ooh. Some of these are pretty fucking cool, actually. Some of these, like, pre-made ones. What the fuck is that? Oh, it's the top ones. That's... Alright. Fuck. What's that one? Ooh, that one's also good. See, the problem is... Yeah, that's the fucking problem, right? Yeah, the transition is really fucking awful. It looks cool, though. So, I'm gonna do something fun. Focus line. I'm gonna move this back this way. Change elevation to front. Oh. That's interesting. It's having some real issues. There we go. Might be a little bit more appropriate. Let's set this. That. I don't think it really knows what the fuck to do. Let's reset it. Oh, that's interesting. Ooh. Oh. Interesting. Should be. Interesting. Okay. I wonder if I just take a single group here, and then I do the focus line, and just fucking reset it here. Ooh, okay. Some interesting behavior here. I think the problem is obviously the yeah, it's having some problems with the fact that yeah. Yeah, that's okay. I understand. I think the console's a little confused. That might be promising here. It doesn't really know where the fixtures are. Yeah. Because of the angle. Alright, that's fine. Whatever. That's fine. Damn. Okay, I'm kind of curious to see what else we can do with this. Let's do 4 parts, just to see what kind of happens. Yeah, it's pretty predictable. I do want to, okay. Yeah. Sick. So this is going to be, I think, up cross. And the fun thing with this is, ooh. Damn, this is gonna be this is gonna be an interesting time. Yeah, it doesn't know what to do there. Well, okay, up spread should be fairly intuitive. Or up straight. So, in theory, should be able to. Could be interesting. I'm pretty sure it is still fanning here. Yeah, there you go. Alright, I'm gonna redo this, but like properly. We're going to go to up cross, fan it between that and that. Yeah. Dude, I don't even know what to call this. Actually, I do. I think this one should be called Pyramid. Now, how the fuck I'm gonna do that with the rest of them? Beats me. Shit, I mean, that works. I should probably check and make sure these all sort of line up and look kind of same angle. Like, that's probably alright. What's the tilt on this? -1. I think that's probably. There we go. Yeah, that's better. Okay. And now locate is my straight. Is it? Nope, it's not. Okay, so should be +4. Or should it? No, it should be exactly what it says it is. And that is -4. So now I can go to pyramid and do the exact same thing that I just did. Looks pretty tight. Now, here's the fun bit, right? Because this is pencil beams. This is not fat beams, right? But that's not even the fun part. God, they really need a... That's not good. The fun part is when you add in these linears. Man. I know I made one of these that looks okay in this. Whatever. Ooh, okay, the outer ones don't look too bad. If I throw in the other beam reducer and I take the, whoop, there you go, zoom. The thing is, these palettes actually look fine in real life. But, yeah. So the outer ones, at least the one on stage right, the outer row actually looks pretty good with that. So if I can just replicate it to the rest of them, then should be right, should be good. But I also know that these values are not correct. So that's technically, that should be vertical. Because I have a magnet pointer right there. I've gone through all this. Alright, cool. Go back to my pencil. I will... Damn, that's gonna look good. Alright. Well. I'm... It looks so fucking garbage. That's weird. Fuck it, I'm just gonna take all these. Make a pointy, strobe open. There you go. That's just weird. Oh. Cool. Works for me. So where the fuck am I, So, let's check a few of these. Yeah, that's garbage. Actual garbage. Alright. This is something I can work on here. Make all these on. And then I'm gonna set my Grandmaster to be well, I realized I just said these and then didn't really God damn it. The key light is what I was going to say. I'm gonna take these X5s, which I don't think they're turning on. Oh, wait, hold on. That's right. That is not right. What mode is this? It's mode 3. Stereo. AX5, mode 5. Go over here. Yeah, just morph. Yeah, no. Dankeschön. That should work fine now. Yeah. Alright. Can you select this? Okay. So we'll do 4,000, and then I'm going to store this here. It's weird. DJ Light, that's what it's called. That's it. Make the fucking Grandmaster control Q stack 1. There you go. That's all you need. Alright. I'm also gonna add like a wee little fade time to that. And then we'll bring back the speaker boot here. Yeah. Oh, the firmware didn't actually drop that much. That's cool. Alright. Neat. Cool. I'm gonna... Ooh. I almost forgot to swap protect it. Damn, that would have been fucking bad. Okay, that's good. Change the color to white because it's a key light. And also just, I don't know, the fix time's a little rough on there. Yeah, that's a bit better. Yeah, alright, cool. Oh shit, it stopped playing. There you go. Cool. Gonna load this. Alright, what should I do? Well, this is very good questions. Looks weird. Whatever. Looks fun to me. I think I should have like a... Yeah. I think, yeah, this is all cool, but interesting. That's cool. Yeah, alright. That's super fun. Oh shit, I can't really play with this too much. Oof. Okay. It's bright. I mainly want to see. Haven't done this in a while. Okay. That's its own thing. I think I have a Speedmaster somewhere. For this. I do. I don't know if it's still programmed. What's animate? Oh, animation. God, I'm forgetting my own. Oh, there's nothing in here. Alright, spider. Where is speed? Oh, no, you kidding me? That's frustrating. How should I do this then? Okay, I know how I should do this. Wait, no, I don't. Or do I? I'm trying to figure out how to do this speed for the flower effect. The problem is that the speed for it is also the channel that turns it on. Yeah, that's not great. So, yeah, if the flower effect is on, that means the center cell doesn't turn on, which is not ideal at all. This is a strobe channel. Oh yeah, shit. Fuck that. God damn. Oh, there's a color macro. Oh, I should just use these. Yeah, man. I'll just use these. That might look kind of trippy. If I like strobe between blue and red really fast, that might look pretty neat. Although there's also like there's color mixing in this. Nope, no, wait, holy shit, what the fuck? There it is. There's the color mixing. You know what? I think I'll just do it that way. Yeah. Yeah. Because in theory, that should just work already.
I want a job that I can be proud of.
Right?
I want to fall in love. Yeah.
Like,
Sometimes I feel like I just want someone
maybe
to tell
not.
me exactly what to do. An island in Chamsys, these rowboats with their full lives rowing somewhere, and I don't have a boat. It's just stuck.
Wish that I could find a way. Wish that I could find a way. Yesterday's dream. Yesterday's dream. Yesterday's dream. Today all sorrow. Today all sorrow. Yesterday's dream. Today all sorrow. Today all sorrow. I've been so many places in my life.
I broke it.
Yesterday's dream.
Or there's an effect. Both are. Ah!
I've been so many
Interesting.
places.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I see what's happened. Blue, turn that on. Alright, and then go to red. Just work now, yeah? I think I know what yeah. I'm being very non-verbal right now. Just kind of in the zone. There's no values in my temp palettes, my soft palettes for the thing. And it's still kind of having some issues there. Seems. I think I know exactly what it is too. if there's a Wednesday. I'm not entirely sure why the screen is like strobing or whatever. Yeah, it's weird. Anyway. So, the problem right now, I'm trying to add this, it's group 6. There's no group 6. Let's just remove that effect. So, I think I'm gonna have to redo a lot of these effects anyways, maybe, probably. Yeah, fuck it. I'm committing to it. I'm gonna redo the effects. Because I realized I didn't do them right the first time anyways. At least not for the flower effect on the spiders. Because I kind of never use it. So I'm just kind of removing it. I'm realizing now that the base effect here does not have the base color effect, like the stock one. I don't think it has the extra attributes that are required for the flower effect. You might just have like RGBW or like seeing the first whatever RGBW, CTO, and like color wheels. I don't think it has whatever the weird shit that the spiders have. Yeah, so that should be broken. I mean, first thing is first though. I think I'm just gonna remove all this other shit, just make it white like that. Yeah, I think that's probably better. It's not really. It is orange. We'll call it orange. Be a secret. And that's kind of like amber. And that's yellow. Then it should be like lime, green. Okay, I'm kind of surprised I haven't done this. That's about right there. Aquamarine. Cyan. I don't know. Dude, I always like forget what lavender is supposed to look like. It sounds dumb. I know what it looks like until I'm at a line console, and then I just completely fucking forget what it looks like. And then CTO, fuck, I don't even remember how I usually do that. I think I just do, yeah, that looks vaguely. Get some more of this, less that. Yeah, sure. Close enough. Alright, cool. Now, if I add a 2 color. Ah, fuck. The spider, okay, yeah. The version of Capture I have does not support the, you know, synced? Could be synced. Yeah. Okay, I understand now. That's right, it's only doing the first thing of the flower, so I need to make like a custom. Save as 2 color flower. Oh, well. CCMY. I don't need this. Oh, fuck. Shit, I don't remember the, what the fuck. Patch. Gonna bring this over here. Edit head. Bring it over here again. Actually, I'll just keep it in the same window so you can see. So, just gonna find where the flower. This is the flower stuff here. So, CTC. CTC. CTO. Blue should be color 2. Color 2? Yeah, I guess. And then the last one should be color 6. What the fuck? There it is, color 6. Alright, I think that should be fine. So we've got the CTC in here. It should also do all the normal CMY shit. Yeah, alright, let's try it. Let's change cross food. Sick, alright. I don't know what's in this 2 color snap thing. Oh, it literally is this fucking spiders. Sick, alright. You know what? B PM. Or I think this should be 2 color B PM. Because it should do it for everything, not just the, right? Ooh. Not exactly what I had in mind. That's okay. I'm gonna go into the effect here, because wait, what's this? This is new. Duplicate. Let's do that. That's what that looks like. Try that on. Yeah, cool. Alright. Alright. I think what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna set this down here. Right, so I'm gonna set the flower effect all the way to 0. I'm gonna include it in my no strobe queue. So now, yeah, it's fine. Now if I bring the flower up, it's still fine. Well, it kind of becomes, I need to, there's probably a very smart way of doing this. There's most definitely a smart way of doing this. I don't know it though. Well, what I could do I know what I could do. I wonder, okay. So I'm gonna add the flower effect to here. That's weird. Why is it a different color? Gonna go advanced programmer. Whoa, okay. Maybe yes. Must be. I bet you it's like fading through values right now. Or not. Or now I'm just confused. Oh. That's very interesting. I bet you I have to turn this back on. Nope. It's weird. Don't get it. So it's doing some weird stuff. I don't entirely know why. Like when I... Okay. Maybe this isn't the situation... Yeah. Is it fading the LTP channels? No, it shouldn't be. And there's no fade time in here. Well, this is when the output window is great. Let's see, what am I controlling? Okay. Yeah. Oh, that's right, it's a calibrated whip. Yeah, that's what something to full. Why is the center so? So it looks fine. Yeah. Yeah, that's all that's all normal. So what I don't get is why it's fucking purple. If I bring the dimmer up, it works just fine. That's what I really don't... Maybe I put a weird value in here or something? Yeah, it's just 0, so... Beats me. Because I didn't put a weird value in there, it's normal value. I wonder, is it the effect? Well, the size master is not set to do... What's in here? Oh, none of the pixels is what's in there. Flower. Add it to the size master. Wait, sorry, my so turn it back on. There we go. See, that should just be fucking not that. Should be that. Ow. Okay, and now if I go to red, yeah, that's all. Whoa. What the fuck? Oh. I'm an idiot. That's what the problem is. I just realized what the issue is. When I was updating and adding, fuck me. When I was adding the flower colors to these palettes, oh man, I made every palette orange. The other, like the cell is fine. Whoa, that crashed. Sick. That's cool. But I did that. I'll take it. Wait, what? It opened up Magic Cube? Well, I need to open up Magic Cube anyways, but like not control it. I need to go look at my master file and download, not download, just check the values. So there's like specific values that you can use. Wow, this is not what I wanted at all. Alright, cool. Just turn all that off. DMXIO. Whatever, I don't want to do any of that. Well, it's fine. This is an old file. I need to do a new one. This one. Fun. Alright. Spider. Alright. Fun. Yay. Alright. That is super fucky. Alright. Red. There we go. Alright, cool. Now we're back at 16-bit. So, 235, 25. Because I've calibrated all these. That's why I'm kind of being anal about this. Orange, 25. What? Oh yeah, orange 255. 52. Red. Amber. 5. Ah, there we go. There's the start of the issues. 127. Yep, I just completely messed up. It's obvious in hindsight. I may not be bopping to what the music you're hearing. I don't even know what music is playing right now. It is motif stuff that will not get the channel banned, but I am listening to what the CDJs are playing, so if the head bopping doesn't match, that's why. God, I can't believe I did that. Shit. 226. I'm kind of thinking I might get a, I kind of want to get an overhead camera set up so that you guys can actually see what the camera's showing or what I'm doing on the console. Because this little view is, I mean, it works, but it's not ideal. I mean, it used to be, during COVID, it was a bit better. You could show both screens. But I think they made some changes to the remote, that remote view, remote control, whatever you want to call it. Alright, so that's lime, that's good. Change green. You know what? I will do my best. That's an interesting lime color. But it actually does. Yeah. Wait. Hold on. I have done something weird here. Lime. Lime. Is that really lime? That's really weird. It seems to still be synced to the console. This is what I mean when I was saying that the multi-console stuff is not the same level as DMA right now. But that's gonna change. I mean, all of it changes so fast. Wow. I don't want to take control. I'm just gonna take myself out of a session. Yeah. That should do it. Now, hopefully, it should just remember that. And, yeah. Load this old. Okay, where were we? Lime? Lime, alright. Yeah, 18226, 00, good. Alright, green. I wonder what green is. It's not that. It's fucking not green. Tell you that. There you go. That's greener. Aquamarine. God, I love aquamarine, dude. That's the best color ever. I should really, yeah, fuck yeah. Oh my god, my alarms. Oh, that's when you know it's been a long night. I do need to think about my schedule right now a little bit while I'll do this. Because the team is loading in at 3 p.m. today. It's 7 a.m. right now. However, I think they'll be fine. I think they. This is not a super complicated rig. It's not super complicated. It's annoying for me, but I think for setup, it's going to be pretty straightforward. Oh, I mean, it'll be a bit tedious for sure, but I don't think I have to be there. I do have to be there later in the evening to set up the lasers, though. To do all the zoning and all that shit for the lasers. I could stay up like the whole day, but I want to program some more tomorrow. Tomorrow night, like in the AM. So I need, yeah. I don't have a key to this warehouse. It's the only real problem. So I'm thinking, we've estimated it's probably going to take about 10 hours to get the rest of the rig up. Mostly because, again, very small team that we have. So all the Mega Pointies, the I-Fortes, we have to wait for the audio team to do their PA towers before we can put the I-Fortes up. But it should be fine. I don't know where my train of thought was going there. Oh yeah, scheduling. Honestly, I think one of the best skills you can develop is energy not necessarily, I mean, time management is a good skill to have, but also like energy management, right? Because if you're like, if you do a load in and you're fucking sending it like maximum effort and then you hit the program after, dude, you're going to be dead when you get to start programming, and it's just going to affect the work, because like you're just going to be, you're just going to have less energy to put towards everything. So generally that's what I'm a little, I hate to say it, but I'm a little bit kind of white glove a little bit with some of this stuff. Kind of out of necessity, because a lot of times I just don't have the time to be everywhere. Like I need to get this programming done, right? If I was on site, I wouldn't be able to do it. Why is this all like that? That's weird. Should be like that. Yeah, I guess it is like that. Oh well. Cool. That's close enough for me. Cool. I believe that should be good. Yeah. we go. Cool. Yep. Cool. Should be more like that. Some CTR. Yep, good enough. Cool. So, should be fine now. Let's do this. Oh. Gonna double time it. Double. What if I do that? I feel like I'm missing something here. Is it properly? Yeah, it's good. I believe the channel's fun too. Yeah. Ain't that cool? All right. Ain't that fun? Wait, I'm not decoding any time code. No, so that's fun. What the is that new? No? Maybe I'm just going slightly crazy. God, that's so fucking... Oh, okay, wait. The effect here. Going too damn fast. Wait, no, it's not. It's going normal. What the fuck? Is this actually like doing what it's supposed to? beat. I think that's broken. I think I'm just gonna kill this. I wonder, it might just be something weird with the I wonder if it's just the track. It's not syncing right, so I believe the track is fucked. Ba ba ba. Daft Punk. Homework. Around the world. Boop. Alright, let's see if this is really fucked. Oh, it is the fucking song, yeah. Totally, yep. Absolutely. Yeah, the execute window is mostly palette based. Yeah, like 90% of it. I mean, this one's like all palettes. This is literally, I think these are the only Q stacks. They are, yeah. Everything else is palettes. This one is a bit more Q stacks because it's all the effects stuff. But, you know, yeah, okay, let's locate these. Yeah, alright, cool. Yeah, alright, so now I wonder, way better. I don't know what this red line is. No idea. Cool. Cool. Yeah. Very cool. The only thing is the weirdness with the flower effect. Seems to be somehow. I wonder if I turn this off. Nope, it's still the same. It should, I don't know. Does it do it for like all of them? Oh no, it doesn't. It's just the red, so, okay, that... What? Wait a minute, hold on a second. There seems to be some white in there. That's weird. Yes, you can't really see that. Whoa, that's weird. That's trippy. So... Okay, now I'm actually kind of sort of confused. Because the effect is not there, right? If I turn it on, the cell disappears. Then I can bring the dimmer in. That's fine, you know. But oh, what the fuck? I wonder if there's other channels in this. Like, did I accidentally put... Nope, I don't think so. Looks clean to me. Alright, well, let's just remove this and restart this. I mean... Huh. Well, okay. If it's literally... If it's just a problem of the dimmer, then I can fix that. But I'm fairly sure... Yeah. Oh no, there is a lot of, it's all soft palettes. All this effect stuff here. This is all soft palettes, and then you can actually see these down here are the soft palettes, and then these here are the soft palettes for all this. This is all just programmer. Actually, it's not programmer. There's soft palettes for this too. I just can't remember. Oh yeah, they're right here. They're on this row. Yeah. Everything's soft palettes, more or less. The only thing it's not is the positions. I should make the positions I should also make them soft palettes so I can do cool effects, but haven't got there yet. Right now, just trying to figure out how to work with this flower effect thing. What time is it? I think I'm gonna give it another 40 minutes. Yeah, I'll give it another 40 minutes and then I'll drive home. So I can go to sleep and then, you know. I mean, I apologize, it might not make a lot of sense. But for me, this is flashing, this is changing color to the beat. Which is pretty fucking cool. It just follows, like I just started playing a new song and it just automatically caught up. Okay, I'm gonna turn this off for the, whoa, jeez. Alright, so, that's that. What happens? I change the zoom. Okay. So that's just a bat beam. And that's that. Well, ain't that something? I should probably... You know what? I'm gonna set the normal mode here. The zoom to be the focus. Or is that wise? Maybe not. Whatever. It's fine. Oh yeah, they do stay. I should make it function. Or not. Actually, it seems to be working just fine. Yeah. Holy shit. Whoa. I wonder what that looks like in haze. That probably looks really cool. I know you can't see it. Let me fucking put it on a wall. Can you see it now? Yeah, there you go. That's a flower effect. So there's blue in there. It's blue, and then well, yeah, I guess I can just change the color of the Wow, that's so cool. I've never even played with that. That's pretty neat. Yeah. Never even. It's the first time I use the function stuff. So, if I just do this, it changes both of them. That's cool. And then if I just select function 1 and change it, well, it's a little weird. It changes. Yeah, it's a little weird. It changes the function, or it, well, I guess it selects just the cells. Which is a little weird because I don't think I've ever even. I do not remember adding functions to this head. I didn't. It just did it on its own? No, it didn't. There it is. Well, you know what? Fuck it. I'm just gonna add another function. Yeah, actually, yeah. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna find this stupid flower effect shit. Make that a separate function here. Function type. No. 2. Oh, fuck. That did not work. I've never done this, so Yes, shit. It should just be a different function. I don't know. Well, what if I just make this 1 and then like that 2. Shit, that's not what I want to do. You know, I should probably like Google how the function stuff works, but that, you know, who needs to do that? I think I do. I think I yeah, oh, functions. Is that it? Maybe? You know, it'd probably be smart to you know, do this properly. Actually understand what any of this is. I'm not sure. Good? No, that's not good. Shit, that's a very good number of emitters. 4? Oh, look at that! I can put the emitter type. Oh, fuck. Wait, I need... Shit. At this point, wait, no, it shouldn't be. It should be RGB eye candy. I'm just playing with fire at this point. Ugh. Well, it shouldn't be any of this. That's stupid. Yeah, I'm literally just playing with fire, fucking with this. Since when did this become massive? Fire effects. There you go. This one. I mean... No. Yeah. Well, this is just interesting. This is why you need Tommy. Oh, whoa. Okay. I'm just randomly pressing at this point. I don't know. Cool. Alright. I don't know. Well. Yeah, I mean, I probably have the head stored somewhere, right? Right? It's probably somewhere. Alright, I think it added select function, function 2. Now did this. Oh yeah, baby! See, there, who needs a manual? Amazing. Alright, cool. I think I can just select function and make that a group. Fucking flower. Oh, that's so stupid. Yeah, it's so stupid that I just stumbled my way into that. That's great. Fantastic. Alright, yeah, good. Fucking great. Yeah. Alright. So. Let me turn this off. And also, why is it like that? Yeah. Oi. Hold on. If I just locate it, then go to red. Oh no. That's fucking weird. Okay, there's a little bit of... Is this gonna behave now? It seems to be behaving at present. Alright, let's fucking... It's still doing that weird shit that I don't like. Why did that? Oh. There you go. Cool. Okay. Problemo solved. So we will make sure this is off. Put this into the no strobe. Yeah. We're getting somewhere. Alright. Yeah, alright. Fucking, it only took too long. Thick. So now, yeah. God, that's so stupid it took so long. I've also running on such, yeah. Alright, cool. So, as you can see from the wall, I can bring the stuff up and it doesn't turn on the flower effect. I bring the fader up, flower effect turns on, I can fade out the main thing, and now it's flower effect. And it's interchangeable. You can have both up. It's fine. It doesn't affect it. Sick. So, now for the Speedmaster. This should be fairly intuitive, I think. I am going to... there is a profile for the spider on Magic Cube. However, I kind of make my own. I take the stock profiles and I modify them a lot. Like all my profiles are modified a little bit. Basically, some of it is adding XY chromaticity, like color data, to the profiles if they don't have them. And then mainly it's I change my highlight values to default highlight and low light values. I also I move around the encoders on some of the things. So typically on a stock file, if you go to the position page, your X encoder is pan, your Y encoder is tilt, and then on the F encoder, the one right next to it, is the pan tilt speed. Now I always like, if I'm really fucking trying to focus fast, I'll accidentally like hit the F encoder and, you know, set some random pan tilt speed. So I've just moved the pan tilt speed attribute to encoder A, which is way fucking far, or to another page or whatever. So I do the same thing with my shit. I do the exact same thing with, there you go, my beam page. Kinda, I don't know if you can see, maybe not. Hold on. This one? Yeah. All right. But my face is in the way, and I can't move it. All right, we'll just turn it off. Okay, cool. So I do not remember what the stock ones are for this, but essentially what I do is I organize and code, like this is the beam page, right? So normally, I don't know, stuff would be everywhere. I try to kind of consolidate all the main controls into one beam page, like the first beam page, and just organize it that way. So I think normally you would have rotating gobo here on encoder X, and then you would have like a static or the second gobo, or you might also have, it might just be the rotation for that gobo 1. I don't do that. Basically, I make it so that all my rotation and speed stuff is on page 2 of the beam page. So I basically just go in, I can show you exactly what I do. We'll take a look at the Forte is a good example. So let's go here. Here we go. This is all the Forte stuff. So let's say, let me find something here. Yeah, let's say rotating gobo wheel 1, this one here. I basically move this section here. All this stuff is what, you know, where that attribute is assigned, what encoder it's assigned to, and what page. So this is, you see it says B1X, that means it's beam page 1 on the X encoder. So on the stock full, like files, I can show you one actually, because I have the Sharpies in here. I haven't changed this one. God, there's like noise in my right. I need to redo the cabling in the studio. So here we got gobo. So that's B1X, which is fine. Prism, see, this is what kind of annoys me, right? I would want, in this instance, on the stock file, Prism is, sorry, I'm just hearing music in my headphones. I feel like something's not muted somewhere. I also, I don't know if you can tell, I have a bit of ADD. Right, so Prism right now is on beam page 2 on encoder C. That doesn't really make that much sense. I would like to just have it on the first page so that I can turn stuff on and off for everything from the first page. Same with Frost, all that kind of stuff. Wow, there's really not much on this fucking... Jeez, man. God, you remember when fixtures were only 20 channels? Good lord. Yeah, see, shutter. I don't put shutter on my main page. I put it on the second one. Because I don't need access to it that much. So if I go here, on this file, you see I've got rotating gobo wheel 1. I've got gobo wheel 2. Zoom and focus is always, usually sometimes it's up the side of the console. Here, I will turn my camera back on. So usually zoom and focus are like on these side encoders. I'm not a big fan of that, so I move them to the bottom ones and put them all in the same place. So every fixture has a zoom and focus in the exact same encoders on the same page. So it's the two prisms, the animation was here, Frost, and then all my speed masters. So strobe is on the second page, then all the like rotation speeds and stuff, the iris is all on page 2. And then just random shit on page 3. Yeah. Yep. That's why. Well, I get it. Really depends because some fixtures don't have, like, if you take the I-Forte, right? The I-Forte has an iris, whereas the Mega 20 doesn't. So I see your actually no, I totally see your point. I feel like there might be instances where stuff just kind of clashes though, you know. Yeah, I don't know. It might be. I don't know. There might be stuff like that. But I can't right now. I can't think of. Can't really think of what it would be. Anyways, so now that I have made this as a separate fucking function, I wonder what it looks like in the program actually. Oh, it's just head type flower. Ha! Whoa. I don't even know how that would work. So this... Interesting. Well, honestly, that's fine. So I think what I'm going to do now, this fader here, it sets the flower effect on. Yeah. Oh, that's fun. And it basically sets it because the channels here are really weird. So, flower effect, this channel here, channel A, top right there. It's basically off, turns it off. You can't see it because it's being overwritten. But this is also, it turns it on. This is the turn on and off, but it's also the rotation speed and direction. So, right now I have it set so that this fader that turns on, that dims up the flower effect, it also sets this channel to 128. And what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna go down here and see what speeds we have. That's fucked. We'll do like that. And then I think I'm gonna... Okay, yeah, this odd and even is also kind of messed up. I don't know what I'm doing that. I can really just do that. Oh man. Wait, no. It's shift odd. Oh yeah, this is the old version. It doesn't have the new shit. That sucks. Sick. So I'm gonna add a little color picker here, I think. Gonna bring this down here. I don't need that many colors for the flower effect, I don't think. Right, so this is the flower effect. I mean, what colors would you need for this? Let's bring this over here. So I'm just gonna copy this here. Whoa, shit, that's not what I want to do. Just copy that there. White, obviously, I need white. Red, yeah. Yellow maybe. Green. Cyan. Blue. Magenta. I could probably put that in the main. Probably have space somewhere. Yeah, I'll just put it like down here or something. Or not. I might, honestly, it might be better to just keep it here. I can always just remove this row. Move all this over. Yep, yep, that works. Copy these, because this way they have the, you know, bitmaps. Magenta, sick, just fucking set the region. Alright, cool. Now that should just work. Or not, yeah, there's an effect going, so that wouldn't work. Yeah, look at that. Ain't that cool? Just yeah. And it should work completely independently of the stuff. Yeah. Well, I guess I'll just fucking do this. So just color to fucking. Whoa. Oh, wait, did that override it? It did a little bit. That's fine. Oh, that one's tight. That might look really cool, actually. The white, the red. Because, like, the flower effect looks really, I know, it's what, I know. There's a bug on this console right now where I've updated it to 197, and the USB ports stopped working. They didn't stop working. They just stopped seeing the USB sticks. So it's weird because when I revert back to 6.2, it's fine. They work again. So they know about it. They are apparently working on it. I need to really find. Okay. Alright, hold on. I don't know where to put the duck, but he was on the CDJ for too long. Just gonna find. I don't know. Ooh. Holy shit, that's loud. Forgot the trim's like completely. Yeah. Ooh, yeah. Cool. So, actually, this should just fucking work now, yeah? Yeah! Sick. So... flower? No. Pyramid. Yeah. Cool. I should be able to just fucking... Yeah. Whoa. Oh, you know what would be really fucking cool? Maybe I should... Oh, you know what? I wonder... I should be going home to sleep. But... I'm kind of enjoying this. So... Okay. What I'm thinking, right? Is... It's very hard to describe what I'm kind of looking for. This position's fucking sick. Oh fuck! Thanks. Yeah, wait, here. That's better. My god, thank you. I did not realize. God, the computer is fucking dying. Which is funny because there's a 3090 Ti in it, or I think it's a 40. What is it? I think it's a 3090. Yeah, it's a 3090. 90%. Only 72 degrees though. Cool. So here's what I'm thinking. So many things. There's so many things I'm thinking right now. Yeah, I should be responsible and, you know, go home soon. So anyways, I kind of like this like top thing here. Cause it's, yeah, so it is, no, you know what, that works, fuck it. Yeah, that's fine. So I'm thinking I'm gonna take this top row of mega pointers and like, whoop. That made no sense, but it will possibly make sense. Yeah. I'm just gonna make this group. Move these down here. Fucking top in. Oh, whatever. So, the idea. Why do they always move the dim chase? I'm gonna sync it. Right, I'm gonna sync it to the beat. Do like a flip. Absolutely no idea how I will achieve this. But that's okay. Not really what I'm looking for. There we go. Go. Now, let's just record it in here. Change the speed method to this. And then I also kind of want it to tail off a little bit. Like, yeah, I don't know, because I like this. It could be like a that's so cool that it just works, man. So, okay. I need to make a group for the top. Because right now I have left, right, but it's not correct. This is gonna get messy fast. Yeah. Okay, so you know what? I will figure all that. Ooh, no, that should work. Yeah, okay. Top. So bottom. No, I should be able to. I just can't remember how I did this effect. It's just two effects with one of them. Yeah. Yeah, alright, so this is just two effects on the same, well, yeah, it's the same. That's a ramp down. Ooh. That's right, any attribute, we will do ramp down on the dimmer. And I'm going to add another one here, another ramp down to this group of fixtures. I'm going to set the add to minus for now. There we go. Alright, good stuff. I'm going to record it here. Delete this random one. We'll call this T BD. Top bot. There you go, top bot. That sounds like something. I'm gonna set the speed like that. Whoa. That's kind of cool, actually. Completely accidental. Yeah, that's actually. If I just bring the fade down a little bit. Maybe just bring the. Yeah, alright. Fuck. Okay, that's not what I wanted to do. And this effect could be done, like, so much simpler, but... Hey man, let's just call this down. I'm gonna move it, I'm gonna get rid of Chris for now and odd even and move this down effect here. It's kind of like a Vegas type thing. Right. So, I need a... I really need to get these faders replaced. The dust in Qatar can be very not good. It really just destroys everything, honestly. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna put an initial offset on get 30% fade. And then, man, I don't even like shit, don't remember how I did this before. Okay, wait, hold on. This is the bottom one. Whoa, that's funky. You know, I should probably just... Man, I should really redo my windows a little bit better. Like, this is probably okay for... Man, I've been using Chamsys for so long, and even now, it's like... I'm always changing these fucking layouts. So that's neat. Oh, it's linked. That's not good. Whoops. Unlink. Yeah, I think I may have just broken. Shit, that... Now I'm thinking about, like, what if I put this QStack store here? What does that look like? Ah, it's not... Ooh, I kind of dig that, actually. Fuck. Getting completely distracted, and it's fun. Yeah, this is actually not bad. I kind of dig it. Yeah. So what would I put here then? Well, that's the programmer. I kind of need the programmer. It's kind of important. God, there's so many. Yeah, let's just get rid of all this and bring back QStore. Well, programmer. Would it fit there? Sort of. Maybe. Like, I don't know. Fucking... Oh, damn. It just, nah, don't like it. Lame. What if I put... You know, I have way more pressing things, but... This is where we're at. Whatever. Okay. I'm just gonna Vmax. I do like the little quarter thing, but yeah, I fucked up this. Okay. Should be like 80. And they should both be same direction. This one should not have that offset. There you go. Cool. That's neat. I think the pulse is fun. It might need to be assigned to... It's weird. There's like 2 effects here. Group 160. Oh, wait. What the fuck is dim ramp G1? Group 50. I don't think there is a group 160, so it's obviously not doing it on that group. Well, you know what? Seems to be working just fine. So I'm simply going to, yep, cool. Make sure the speed masters are set right. I mean, it's a little weird. I don't know. Whatever. Yeah, the random I need to fix. You know, I did not name these right. These are just not, yeah. Fixtures break a lot. Yeah, they used to, yeah. We had BMFLs during the World Cup, during FIFA. Those kind of, well, actually everything fucking broke, yeah. Although those are pretty old lights that we rented some stuff from Europe to supplement our inventory for the World Cup. So we got BMFLs and play. Why is this? What? What? My USB stick just died? No, it didn't. So what's up? Yeah. Alright, works for me. Look at this. Fuck. Yeah, sure. That's fine. Oh shit, that's alright, cool. Yeah, so during the World Cup, we had BMFLs, K20s, JDC1s, and Mega Pointies. I'm sure I'm missing something, but yeah, pretty much all of them. The only thing that like didn't have issues is the Mega Pointies. Although they did have plastic issues. Like the plastics were just breaking a lot, falling off. But that happened with the BMFLs and also with the K20s. So yeah, we had issues with the BMFLs with CMY and occasionally framing shutters. The dust would get in and just kind of get the rails kind of coated in dust, and so they couldn't slide properly. So yeah, that was something. Oh wait, this is like not what I was gonna do at all. Hold on. This here, is this a linked queue? No, it's not. We're good. Alright. Yeah, so these should both be forward, spread shit to 0, and that should work. Alright, that's not exactly what I had in mind. Cool. It's cool. I know you guys. Yeah, of course, local, dude. Of course. Cheers. So, I'm thinking. Yeah. I was thinking when I should go home. So that the left right stuff is in the freaking hello? Yeah, thank you. There you go. Nope. Fuck that up. I should do it like this, actually. Oh shit. Left. There you go. And then like this. Fucked it up. Alright. Right. Now this effect should just fucking. Yeah! Nice. Oh, that's so cool. Oh, you know, it would be like kind of even cooler. I might have to think a little bit about how to do it, but I'm pretty sure I know how to do it. Ramp down. Dimmer. Ramp down. Another dimmer. Dude, stacking effects, that's where it's at, man. Alright, where is it? Ramp down. Alright. Now, what I'm going to do is bring this down here. I don't know. I can't. I do have another US. I do have a monitor there, touchscreen monitor. I could set it up, but whatever. Okay. For now, I'm just gonna store this here, and then set it to Speedmaster 5. Now, the idea is I bring the spread down substantially. Whoop, shit, fucked it up. I think I just do that, yeah. And bring the width like that. Yeah. And now I put a 50% offset on this one. Let's divide it. Oh, yeah! Okay. Yeah. Fuck yeah, that looks great. Yeah, that works. I might just... Yeah, baby. Alright. I do not know. I do have IPA. I have iFortes. I think that's it. I'm kind of pushing to change everything. So we bought after the World Cup. We sent our rental stuff back, and then we purchased our own, which is basically just all the Ruby top hitters. So we got a whole bunch of Mega Ponies. We got a whole bunch of spiders, a whole bunch of Ruby 150 beams, and then a whole bunch of iFortes. So iFortes is the only IP rated thing we have, but iFortes is awesome. It's like we would have gotten the iSpider X, but it wasn't out at the time. So, and there's no Mega Pony IP replacement that I can really, go woo. So left, right. Swipe. God, that looks sick, man. Damn. Oh, I did not. I made it absolute. Let's do minus. There we go. Yeah. Sorry. Yeah, you'll hear that one. Look at this good. Again, I apologize that you can't see or hear what it actually kind of lines up with, but well, you can kind of see. You can see what song's playing. Yeah, that's about as. I think that's about as all I can do. I do want to get SVB1s. We have Ruby 100s. I do want to replace those because I really like the 150, but the SVB1 is way cooler. Infinite Pain Tilt, man, and a 200-watt strobe. I saw it. I was at PLS a few days ago and I saw it there and was like, "Whoa, that's crazy." I kind of want the iStrobe, but it's expensive, so kind of don't want it for that. Like, I want super bright shit, but I don't want to pay that much for it, like strobe-wise, blender-wise. It is pretty cool though. It's got zoom on so it's got 3 zooms. It's got one for each of the plates, and then it's got one for the strobe section, and it can zoom way in, so it makes this like blade of light when it's, and you can turn on the strobe section and just have it on like continuous, so it can make this super cool like slice of light. And since it's got infinite band tilt, you can just spin it around, and it's just this massive like blade of light spinning around. It's pretty cool. Pretty expensive though. I just need a strobe. So I've been looking at the elation stuff, the pulse panels and stuff. So this here. So now, I think the real question with this now, I just said now twice. I think honestly, if I just put the groups up, yeah, fuck it, right there, it's fine. Close the color window. We'll call this. Actually, no, I think this should go down here. Programmer should go top there. Yeah, alright, cool. Wow, there's the palette window in here. And position. Record this. There you go. That's clean. Alright. Output. What is my actual program? That's way better. Damn, what was I doing? I don't need this though. Yeah. Yeah, that's alright. Yeah, so I really like that. Kind of wonder what this would look like with... Oh yeah. Haven't done that one yet. Flower. Half nut. There we go. This one's... That's the fucking tits right there. Yeah. Oh, especially when I put in like the... Yeah. It's gonna look good. A lot of haze. Cool. Alright. Oh, that's colors. Where am I? With. There you go. Alright, cool. Yeah, that's neat. That's very, very cool. This should be called 1.4, right? Actually, that's... Is that... Yeah, that actually... I do wish... I don't know, maybe I fucked it up, but... There's a little... like bar counter, beat counter, whatever you want to call it. It works when I input like audio directly into the console, but not when it doesn't seem to get it from the DJ BPM stuff. Yeah, cool. Is this using the right? Yep. I should probably save the show file. Be a good idea. I'm not sure. I actually don't know the prices. I just know that it's expensive. It's very expensive. Well, oh yeah. Well, that's gonna fuck it up, isn't it? Yeah, wait, I was doing a thing before I got to this. Cool. Alright. I should be changing the speed on this. Well, probably just do like this. Like that. Record this. And then I will do this. Be an LTP. LTP, it's good. Oh, it already fucking works. Alright. There you go. Cool. Done. Alright. And then... Ah! Well, that's no good. Oh, shit, yeah. Huh. Okay. That's fine. This is fine. No problem. What I do is this one. Yeah, alright, cool. Wait, and it's not working. Shit. What's in here? Oh. Oh. LTP, probably. Nope. Broken. I fucked it up. This should be a toggle anyways. I don't think it's actually... No. It should be. Well, this is a conundrum. I may have broken it a tad bit. I'm not sure how though. Yeah, what? Let's unlink it and then just see what. Yeah, that's fine. So, no. It's up here. Fascinating. You know, I am sure that I'm just missing something here. And it's like super obvious. It's definitely very obvious. Like it's absolutely like the most basic shit. Guarantee it. Flash likes, yeah, that's fine. X like fader, that's good. Fader, yeah, they're LTP channels, so there's no effects on the channel, so that's fine. Yeah, I mean, this is unless I do this. You want to split it? You know what? Fuck it. This was a random stack that I do not remember. So, damn, that is fucking tight. So, good flower effect. Oh, did I put that? Ooh, yeah, I did. That would explain a lot. Shit. Okay. You know, I'll just make a new, yet another fucking. Doesn't really matter, honestly. Okay, here is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna make this a toggle button. Very straightforward. Not really, sort of. Make this a toggle. And then the encoder is gonna control another key stack. Creator is not going to control any of this shit. Yep, alright, cool. Now I'm going to make another thing. That'll simply be the speed. So, I don't know. Just put this like fucking there. Flower speed. Okay, cool. Now that's 262. I don't think it's working. Ah, there we go. Duck. There. The only thing, so, good lord, I just went on a, yeah. For pricing, jeez, pricing, I know that the pulse panel effect is cheaper than the color strike. Jesus, this album is good. Good lord. Damn. Alright. Jeez. Oh my god. Alright. Yeah. Get it. Six, two. It's the only wood quirk, okay? Yeah, cool. So I can still all right. That is fun. Very cool. Very cool. And you know what? This stuff should not be in here. This, that's the wrong. Where's the boop? And then the boop. No, it's active. What? What? Is it? Is it really though? There we go. This one goes. What the fuck? There. Alright, cool. 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 So now I have a toggle switch. And I can, whoa. Hold your horses. Oh, whoops. I guess I couldn't, 505. Yeah, alright. Huh. That's fact. No. What playback is that getting from 24? Yeah, this should be. Fuck. Oh, there we go. Huh? Well, that's interesting. The fuck? What the fuck? Ah. Oh, no, it broke again. Where the hell? You know what? I guarantee you I have put... There's 100% a value somewhere. So that turns it off. Right. Okay. There is oh shit. No. Never mind. In lasers? No, of course not. Why would it be in lasers? That's stupid. Because I'm stupid. That's why it would be in lasers if it was. But it's not, so where, what the fuck? This is what's weird. If I just turn it on like this, it's fine. If I turn it on from here, it is not. Oh, figured out. Nope, I did not. I mean, I almost did. So that's something, right? Let's just do fast. It should... Where should it be going? It should be going to a value. Okay, I have... feeling this is more or less a priority thing, right? Yeah, alright, yeah, that would probably definitely be it. Oh. Well, ain't that interesting? What the fuck? Where's the tooltips when you need them? There you go. Alright. Oh yeah, just for the macros. Here we go. Oh, it doesn't show you the whole tooltip stuff. That sucks. Alright. Okay, so I see. I need to basically set this to activate QStack 505 at level 0. Cool. And it doesn't work. The weird thing is it like sort of half works. So Oh. Oh. That should be one of... Oh, wait a minute. Did I set this to be... Yeah, that's... Okay. Well... You know, stupid, because it was working before I moved the playback, or the cue stack. I think it might not have been. Might be misremembering how well it worked. Because this right here. Well. Okay, you know what? What is the level right now? No. Ooh. Normal, I guess. I don't know. Normal? Sure. Other cue stack. 505. That should be just fine. Yep. Everything should work. And, okay, I broke it. Alright. So that's not that. Should not be doing that. LTP, I guess. Oh. That's also... Oh, whoa. What the fuck is happening here? Well, that's something. Didn't even... What? Do this. Block effects. I wonder if it's just fighting for priority, maybe? It's entirely possible. Wait. I have no idea what the fuck. Alright, well. Okay, right now it should just be on. This is the stupidest shit. This is really just the stupidest shit. Yeah, I'm like really just dumb, I think. I mean, it should just fucking... You know what? I'm gonna get rid of all this other shit for now. Normal. This playback. 0. Cool. Get rid of this other fucking cue here. Good. Alright. Well, alright. Oh. You know, I think I'm just going insane. Or I mean, yeah, it's probably just that. Well, I guess I just turned off all the fucking speed monsters too. That's cool. Yeah. It's gotta be something to do with the buttons. Yeah. At this point, I'm just kind of. Oh. Where does it go back to? Like, surely. Okay, there's a playback, or there's this key stack somewhere. Yeah. What the fuck? Is the problem that this is just going to the wrong... Fuck it, I'm just gonna re-record this freaking thing. Like, I'm just gonna manually put in... There we go, yeah, okay. So that should not do anything now. Yeah. You know what? Fuck it. I'm just gonna... My brain's definitely kind of turned off right now. Q-stack. Okay, cool. Lovely. Oh, it's done. The album's done. Damn it. Oh, and it's also... that or something else. I should probably drive it home soon. Cool. Okay, so that's normal. it is stopped. Very cool. Alright. Yeah, see? That's fucking great. Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna be right back. Probably. Yeah, definitely. I'll be back. Jesus, right? The sun's up and everything. It's dumb. Alright. Okay. Holy shit, it's already 9. Yes, KX5, indeed. Banger. Well. Oh! Yeah, no, that's fun. Cool. Whew. Oh, I thought the okay. I thought the CDJs might have been playing through the stream. 'Cause that would be bad. Unfortunately, it would be bad in fucking bangers, but YouTube will murder me. They'll send a fucking kill squad to my house. Or they'll just fucking find me here. That works too. What was I doing? I was doing stuff. Right? Probably. I don't know. Honestly, do I even need rotation? Oh fuck, the toggle doesn't work. Yeah. That's good. See, yeah, that's fine. Whatever. Flower. Yeah, sure. Which? Or maybe just toggle. I think I might just call it toggle. Or F toggle. That might be a bit more helpful. If I, yeah, because I do have other things called toggle. There you go, F toggle. There you go, works. Alright, cool. I'll figure out the rotation later. Does it need to rotate? Probably. Yeah, it should probably rotate. So, lasers. Fuck. Whatever. What is exit? Oh, whatever. What did that later? I'm just slowly gonna start packing up a little bit. So I need to drive home at some point. I don't know when.
His decision was to make the journey, and the world watched and listened.
Well, I'm still not tired is the problem. Wait, I'm gonna put the depth on the CJ. There you go. Yeah, that's a big problem. I'm not tired. I need to be. Because the alternative is staying up a lot longer. Which is not great. Shit. Yeah, because... That's cool. Yeah, show cockpit, cool. Very cool. 10 out of 10. IGN approves it. They're like, yeah, this is great. Alright. Yeah, I should probably like eat and shit. Alright. Oh, whoa, that's cool. Just made functions. That's a function. Yeah. What about this? That's a function too. Whoa, crazy. What does it have? No, it has everything. That's, you know, that's neat. Very cool. Oh, we'll just put it there. Who cares? Out of range. Boom. Yeah. All right, cool. You know, I should probably actually do a lot of the other stuff too. Like this. Yeah, that's cool and all, yeah. Inner ring. How about ring 3? I think that's better. Ring. Well, it's really ring 2, isn't it? Ring 1? Yeah. It's bigger, so it's ring 1. That makes sense. Until it doesn't, but yeah. Center, yeah. Dot. This dot's pretty bright. Especially for like zoom it right. Oh, it doesn't do the fucking. God damn it. Yeah, if I zoom it. Oh, great. It's in the fucking lamp. Yeah, that's cool. That'll do stuff. Probably. Damn, wait a minute. If I turn on this, is it brighter? It shouldn't be. So that would not make any sense whatsoever. But oh no, it's the same. Yeah. Ooh. Okay, I know. I know what I'm doing. Alright. Yeah. Niet. I don't like that. Trying to make like a random thing. Wait, I have a fucking pixel. Good lord. Yeah, right here's good. Boom. Alright, I think. That is not how they will look in real life. They need to add a way to like flip this. That. And then I think this here. And then like this one here. I think. Nope, not that one. Shit. Ah, fuck. Shit. Yeah, and I've just selected all of them. That's fine. There. And then one more. Mm-hmm. I'm not sure what I'm going for, but it's something. I think. It doesn't really look that random. Oh, okay, hold on. I kinda have an idea. Synced. Okay, yeah, I sort of have the beginnings of an idea for this. Kind of. I mean, it's generous, but yeah. Go minus. Just make sure to set the effect to that. Oh, and yeah, I have to do that. Oh, well, that's neat. Forgot about that. Yeah. Kinda forgot about that. Wait, what the fuck? That should be like all good and stuff. Minus. Densities, good. I wonder if it's just like that. Huh. Ain't that neat? This is the most annoying bit. It's like, how the fuck is this supposed to work again? So, I believe this should just be a zero size That's absolutely no. It shouldn't be that. That's no good. Boom. Well, it's no good anyways. The selection order is wrong. No, I'm sure there is most definitely a way. You know, I can't really remember what the whole idea was at this point with this. I was gonna do something with it. Entirely unsure what the point was. Well, I could slow it down way, like, no, like this. Huh. Well, that's an interesting concept. It's really not what I was looking for. What the fuck? It's funky. Alright. Cool. So it should really be like this. Again, I should be driving home. Why is it so, yeah, why, what? Interesting. Right. Let's try this then. Oh yeah. See, now I remember why I do things away. Oh shit, that's not even, damn. Okay. Hear me out. It's weird, that's for sure. You know what, I'm just gonna keep it. I'm just gonna call it, I don't know, and then, well, I don't know, we'll see. When I get there. It's kind of weird. I think the problem is the width is too big. Whoa, alright, slow down. Jeez. I think the speed's a bit high too. Device. Yeah, that's a bit better. Jeez. Still weird. I still don't really like it. But whatever. We always got the cool. Yeah. Alright. That makes me happy. Alright. Cool. Alright. I think I'm gonna call it there for the stream. I'm gonna drive home. And potentially sleep. But I will probably be back tomorrow. And when I get on site, I'll probably stream as well if I can, if I have internet. But yeah. Thanks for watching, lads. See you next one.